is Lee Murray. How are you? I hope you're doing great. I'm gonna brag a little bit, I guess. So, I've been at this since 2013. I mean, I've been making money online since about 2008. I actually got started way back in 2005, kind of. And then I dabbled a little bit in 2008. I decided to take things a little bit more seriously. I did pretty well for about 5 years, off and on, the bumps in the road for sure. And then in about 2013, I ended up quitting my job to do this full time. And what changed for me between 2005, 2008, and then 2013 was one thing and one thing alone, and that was email marketing. Okay. Now you can see this is pretty much since about 2013, we've got about $106,000 in Warrior Plus. On the affiliate side, about 406,000 on the vendor side, and this doesn't even represent close to half of my income. I mean, things like coaching, way more affiliate programs. I've got some screenshots below. I don't want to, spend too much time touting my own results. I just wanted to kind of let you know that these are the types of results that I've gotten almost exclusively via email marketing, right? My emails have been praised by many marketers over the years. And so I decided to really get into helping the public, good folks like you who are trying to make good money online, crazy good money online, actually, and who have been just like kind of spinning their wheels, not getting any traction, not knowing where to begin. Listen, it starts with one thing. It starts with loading emails into your autoresponder. Okay. Beyond that, you can start building your list using tried and true traffic generation strategies and some new ones. Okay. Some exciting new ones, and sending people to a very high converting, very high quality lead capture system. All right. So that's how you succeed online. You send quality traffic to a quality funnel, and then you load up years worth of quality emails on the back end so that each and every day they're receiving a new email from you, and it's earning you money each and every day for years to come. Okay. Now, I recommend that you have hundreds, if not thousands, of emails loaded into your autoresponder. But one problem that would arise if you are just loading up emails that are promoting specific offers is, what if one of those offers goes the way of the dinosaur, right? What if one of them becomes ineffective, it's outdated, the vendor pulls the offer, from the market, and then you're left high and dry. And what would you have to do? You would have to remember which of your hundreds of emails was promoting that product, and then you would have to go into your autoresponder, swap out that link with a new link for a new product that you discovered that probably would still have to make sense with the wording of that email. And it would be a huge hassle. It would drive you insane, and you would give up hastily, right? Promptly. That's the word I was looking for. You would give up promptly. And so that is why I have decided to get really heavily invested in the world of rotator emails. Now, what a rotator email is these are like nuggets of truth and wisdom and persuasion. Okay, but they're not directly promoting any one particular product. They promote in a general sense, like, that's why I recommend this, as your clickable call to action. That's why I recommend this. Okay, or this can help. Click here, and this will help you, right? And so the email